straight to the stairs. Old staircase. Wow. Holy crap. Jesus. That's incredible. That peel on the wall. I love that.
Someone's had their own wardrobe per room.
That's the same in the other room as well.
I think it was, yeah.
Oh, light switch there. They're all the same, aren't they? They're just out stripped.
Yeah.
I mean, this place is just absolutely massive.
Isn't it?
Again, all these rooms just identical.
I mean, it makes sense for them being an abandoned, like, mental asylum.
Crazy paint peel, innit?
So it's like... Ah, so this was the toilet. With all sort of stuff.
Alright. Wow.
So there were cubicles here on the floor.
Aye, you can see where the toilets used to be.
One of these bigger ones are showers, maybe.
Wow.
It's crazy.
Isn't it? Right here. Look at the windows, man. Starting some building work there. Oh, kids have kicked a while doing one of the two.
It's the bigger room, this one is.
Yeah.
Oh, look at all the tricks in it. In the wall where all the electrics been pulled out.
Aye.
And it's the same on this side. I wonder if this was some sort of office room. I'm sure it's bigger than the rest.
Maybe. Oh my god. It just goes on and on, doesn't it? Do you want to try it on there?
I'll have a quick look. So haven't seen board. So unless that board is just a courtyard. No, it's not. Yeah, the rest of the board off.
Yeah, so the main room, they've been boarding off for some reason. Fire escape. Yeah, I think I found the basement. There's like a little door. Oh. Wow, that's so creepy. Oh, there's more.
It's a boiler room.
Oh, it's flooded.
Whoa. Doorway there, but he's blocked up.
That's crazy.
It's manual ladders.
That's a fire door behind you. So, maybe the boiler was down here somewhere. MOT inspection catcher, isn't it? Oh.
Goes on forever down here.
Mad, isn't it?
Mental, this. How long before we're lost? How long before we're lost?
What, you mean we're not lost already?
I don't want to step on any of this in the middle.
Toilets in there.
No idea what this used to be.
Just storage, maybe? Oh, wait. What was this place originally again? Was it a mental asylum? Did you say? Wow, so I mean, there could have been people locked down here. That's one of them automatic door closers.
Yeah, but there's a pump in there.
Oh. Yeah, like a mains water pump. Wow. How's that still there? Where's this water supply go to?
Outside.
Ah, straight outside. So I mean, was it on or turn someone's water off? I'll be honest, guys. I'm not really one for like believing in ghosts and stuff like that, but it's gonna be great. But it is creepy down here, like very creepy. Random holes in the floor. You can't see me breath.
Yeah.
I was saying it's creepy down here.
It is.
All electrics.
Yeah.
Fire blanket. Colour-coded cutting boards. Ah, kitchen, like food prep area. That explains the hole there for an extractor fan. Imagine you're the chef and you've just got to work down here all day. Well, a lift.
Whoa. Cool, it's already here. Can't call nothing, buddy.
Danger, 400 volts. Oh, hello. Wow.
Oh, there is water down there though.
Yeah, there is eye.
It's not as deep as I thought it was. I ain't slipping down right with socks. I'm guessing that's just the silver stuff for the lift.
Oh, aye, that'd be good to know, wouldn't it?
Oh, I didn't see the door.
Whoa. I mean, it doesn't smell too bad down here, does it? It's just damp.
Yeah.
Right, out the basement. That's blocked up there, so I'll go back upstairs. Yes, we're not going to go in every single room because they are just identical. Yeah. Just everyone. Exactly the same as each other. There's a bird in the cubby hole there.
Oh, it's alive.
Hello, Mr. Birdie. Oh yeah, nothing in there. I didn't want to disturb him. Oh my god, it goes on. For fuck's sake.
I need to go home.
You didn't change your pants.
Yeah.
That's it, see? He's away out with the camera so we can check his pants. Yeah, I heard that. Yeah, that's pretty funky though. The original flooring. Right, I keep hearing other noises, you know, this place is creepy.
Isn't it?
Should we start that step in that? Wow, look at the state of this. You look creepy just sitting there, you know. Not gonna lie. Yeah. I don't know. I thought maybe work had started, but I wonder if kids have just been kicking the wilds doing. There, it's pretty much just room after room for the patients.
Expanding from mushrooms.
It's crazy that. Oh, you got a kind of view, don't you? Look at that. And the tower up there. There's actually plans to renovate this, believe it or not, and convert it, knock it into flats. I reckon there's originally access to the loft, like.
There's a water tank up there. If you look up into this next gap.
Oh, this torch, man.
Oh, I keep blaming the torch.
You've used it before, you know what it's like. Oh, I can't tell. On camera, there's a little light fitting up there.
That definitely looks like a water tank there, don't it?
Yeah. Floors all over the place in there.
This feels like the care home.
It is, isn't it?
proper sauce.
Dude.
Dead.
Probably torture me
I
pocket.
ain't loft access.
Aye.
No, seriously, it's not, it's roof access.
Yeah. What a hole.
Fair enough room for you in your bag there.
Ooh.
What do I do? Because I've got a pigeon doing here with us.
Ah, it is roof access.
I didn't want it bothering you.
Oh, wow. There we are, ladies and gentlemen. Look how beautiful that is. There we have it. Angel Heights Mental Asylum. Done. Ticked it off. Beautiful. Oh, that's a lot of pigeon muck in there. Wow, this is the original bit for the lift. Oh, it stinks. Quick look. There we go. Bah. It's humping in there. Right, back in here. Much harder to do this with just one hand. Whoa, what a tight squeeze.
There's potential loft access if you can squeeze at least stairs to your right.
Alright. I'll have a look. There's a pigeon there. Pigeon! Ambulance.
It's a tight fit. And there's two padlocks keeping the loft shut.
Oh. I'll stick my head up. Oh. Bah. Nah. I'm not going in there.
Why?
It stinks like the... When I went out onto the roof before,
Yeah.
it leads up to above here, above the lift. So it's got like the pulley system at the top, but it just stinks of like dead bird or pigeon crap or something. And the loft is all full of pigeon crap as well, so it's stinking.
4 skeletons or something.
Aye. That's all the way around, isn't it?
Yeah. Unless we can find a way in downstairs.
I know. What's on the bloody ground floor? That's not exactly where. Remember where we came up? Oh, we've been here.
I really do. Look like the world.
That bird's back. Just sitting there, watching me. Hi! Look, always prepared. Oh no, come back. He's got dinner for you.
What?
Not a dog, you know, what you took that for? Yeah, boy. But probably flew out the window. I put it in his house, there we are. Oh, has he?
That's why he's there.
Oh, wow.
The sandwich is bacon and egg.
Bacon and egg. Oh, bit of cannibalism.
Christy Silent. Honest out of
So, that's the dog that I want to fuck. Aye.
I'm not like him, but like a bottle of wax and downstairs.
I don't know. I don't know myself. I'm game enough just to have a nose here. I'm in. It's not the easiest. It looks similar to upstairs. Oh, old fireplace is still here. So guys, this is a bit that they're obviously trying to protect in here. Obviously you can tell it's all smoke damaged. Kids have been in and trashing the place. Which happens, unfortunately. It's not right. It's not on. Wow, absolutely stunning in here. Another old fireplace.
Ah.
Can you, innit?
That.
Aye. Oh, there's a way through. Nice room, this. Alcove and an old fireplace. There we are. There's the surround.
I'm not sure how far this goes. Ah, never mind, I think we can access the rest of it.
Oh, the door's over there. All new stuff over there. Looks like showers, perhaps. What happened there?
I just nearly lost my balance, was all.
Oh.
Oh, dude.
Toilet, big radiator there.
Someone had a bad day on this one.
Damn.
Oh, they're all like that. Yeah.
There are some explosive turds there, like, aren't there? Seems like most of the stuff seems to be stored in this part.
I don't like the feeling of a wooden board moving under my feet when that's the whole underwards.
Right, so there's
Is
another...
that a bed for him? To my left.
Yes. Bunk beds.
Oh, well, I was saying it would be creepy if the beds were still here.
It turned out they are.
Oh, we can't go that way.
Oh my. We can go this way though. Oh, stinks of fire in here.
This is the staircase that was blocked off.
Oh, hold on. You can't go that way anymore. I thought there was a way through.
Oh, is there not?
No, I think someone's been in and blocked up all the way through.
Torch this bit.
Oh, it stinks like.
Bah.
Oh, it's bad like, isn't it?
Really even in here, to be honest.
Cool desk there.
I didn't write that, I promise you.
That's where I was before.
Is yours?
Right? Fuck the ghosts. Oh, sorry?
I said I didn't write it on my desk, I swear. It was already there. That's a mess in here, isn't it?
It's a shame, isn't it? Jesus Christ. All the original features there. Beautiful, but just bloody burnt to a crisp.
Yeah, so they're the stairs that I've just blocked straight off.
Yeah. So, ideally, where would we go from here? Be through that boarding, wouldn't it? Come on. I had a feeling I might have to use the window, you know. Holy shit.
Sounds worse than it is. There's a board here. I'm guessing it used to be on this window.
Hi. Not for drinking water. Oh wait, there's one there for drinking water.
Yeah, that says not drinking water right next to it.
And yet, they're all run off the same pipework.
Yeah. That's not the kitchen anyway, so we'll take that first.
Wow.
That's just a little storage room. Yeah. Can you smell that?
I could smell something, you know, when we came in, I was like...
There's definitely a hint.
That does smell like gas, doesn't it?
Definitely does. Not sure if that was the gas pipe that was in the hole in the floor there. Oh my god, look how black it is up there with the grease.
Wow.
That isn't just because, that's not just because the light's reaching up there, that's just how black it actually is.
That's just some size kitchen. I mean, the ventilation runs all around. Sure. And someone's dropped a brick in the loo. Look at that brick. Aye. Been in there?
Yeah, that's why it's my gas.
Oh, of course.
I would cap myself if the lights came on.
Oh, that should have brick. I would absolutely shit myself.
Don't say wrong, to the left it's just going to be stairs and they're going to be blocked.
Still going so far.
Oh, okay. What are these?
Live, apparently. Is that loose? It's not that live. That's nerve-wracking. Just suddenly. Could you see if it had opened up inside?
It looked like it had.
Aye. It's not so live, or at least not anymore. Alright, so there's a board here, and then we've got a left and a righty.
And then I find my way back outside here.
That's it. Nothing in here. Apart from a toaster.
Oh, bath bomb.
What?
Bath bomb.
Ah, bath bomb.
A weirdly partitioned room.
There we are. Final fireplace.
Why is there a fireplace there? Oh, there.
Skeletons there.
This room's tiled. Pipework here.
Yeah, but just that one little section is tiled. That's weird, isn't it?
And it was clearly sectioned off from that.
Yeah. So that was a separate room, so I mean like... Oh, yeah, look.
Yeah.
There would have been a doorway here.
What? So is this another one, yeah?
That would have been a door at some point.
Why these three little rooms? This was clearly used as a toilet or something.
Aye.
And that's us done, I think.
I think that's everywhere, like. Yeah, so I mean, we've still got to leave yet, but that's Angel Heights explored.
As far as we can tell, yeah.
Yeah, it certainly seems it. I turned the light back round at the right time there. We've been through there, haven't we?
Yeah, so.
That was a fire room, wasn't it?
Yeah. That's the hole that you tried to come through. You've seen the mould that's grown on that already.
Aye. The old guttering. Weighs a ton, that does.